Hey there everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel, iTech Explore. In today's video, let's explore how to insert and edit text in Canva. First, log into your Canva account, create a new design, or open your project. On the left panel, click Text. Then you'll see Add a text box. You can click this one if you want to insert a random standalone text. By inserting this, you can freely edit your text according to your own design. Below that add a text box is a magic write. I'm going to talk about this magic write in a separate video. Below that one is add a brand once. This is only available for those who upgrade their account to Pro version. Next one are the three main text options. Add a heading, add a subheading, add a title bit of body text. This is very important for creating a formal document, presentations, or even social media posts. Let's insert a blank page to illustrate these three main text options. Now, let's add a heading. Use headings for titles or main ideas. Next, a subheading. Use subheadings for supporting ideas. It helps organize your content. Use body text for details and explanations. This structure is essential in creating presentations, poster, or social media graphics. Below that is you'll see the ready-made text styles. These are pre-designed text combinations. If you want to save time and instantly add professional-looking text designs, then use this ready-made text design. There are a lot of choices you have here, a lot of free versions. You don't need to upgrade your account to Pro because there are a lot of free versions text styles here. These are great for posters, event invites, or social media posts. Click one and it adds a styled heading and subheading combo that you can customize. Like this one, happy birthday. So in one click, you already have two different fonts and you can really customize that one. It helps if you're not confident with design yet. Canva does the styling for you. Now, next one, click any text and a toolbar appears at the top, right here. First one, you can see the font style. If you click this, these are the choices right on the left will appear and you can freely click on a free version styles. You can choose some formal styles, a playful style for kids. Next one here is font size. You can adjust how big or small your text is. Just click on the plus here to make it bigger. Click on the minus to make it smaller. Next to the font size is the text color. This will allow you to change the color of your text. If you click this one, then the colors appear right here and you can freely choose which one you like. Next to that is the bold, italic, underline, strike through. Not all font styles can be changed to bold or italic. Let's see this other one. So this one, the Canva Sans font style, can be changed to bold or italic. You can use the bold one if you want to highlight, or for example, the quotes, you can use italic. You can use underline for hyperlinks. Next one is the uppercase, lowercase. You can click on this if you want to change the text to uppercase like that. You can choose all capital for titles. This will give us a cleaner formatting. Next to that is the alignment. For the purpose of illustration, just like this. So that's align right. Next, align left. This is line center. So let's erase that. All right. Next is the bullet list or number list. You can use it for steps, tips, or key points. But this one's a title, so we don't need to use this, but just for the purpose of illustration. So that's a bullet, a number. Next is spacing. This one's my favorite. Let's go to another slide to illustrate the spacing. How can you adjust the line spacing of these body text? So click on this spacing here and you can adjust the letter spacing. Look at that. Yeah, I really like this feature of adjusting the text. It's very easy to adjust, especially if you're doing like illustrations, graphics, or images. We do have here advanced formatting, like the text position like that. Let's try to insert the text box here X squared. So if you click on the superscript, that's it, and a subscript like that. So perfect for mathematics teachers. Next one is transparency. Okay, let's use this one to illustrate the transparency here. I'm gonna insert happy birthday design. Happy birthday. All right, let's look at this happy birthday design here. This illustrates the transparency for the happy birthday design here. Click on your text, transparency, let's see. All right, it's just like that. See, it changes. The color becomes transparent. And this one, and change that. Now it blends with the color of the background. Next, for the text effects, point this one and it will give you here on the left different styles. So we have here the shadow. If you want to put the shadow on that, lift like that, outline. You have to change the thickness of the outline, change the color to make it a bit darker or like that. It depends upon your preference on the style. You also have here some shape style. You want that style. Next one, we have animate. Animation is good for presentations. So just click on your preferred animations here. You can animate the whole page or the text alone. It's already there. Now, for position, so we also have the arrangements. We have sending backward, forward, and alignment to page. So for example, if you want to align this text to top, so you can click on top and it will just position right on the top. If you want to position it to the left, in the middle, to the bottom, to the right, at the center. So if you want to do that, center, middle, so it's back at the center and in the middle of the page. Next one, we have the layers here. So you can freely drag the layer if you want to change. If you look at here, the text disappear because it was sent to back. So if you look at the position, what comes first is the first layer. The happy birthday is already at the back. So let's send it to front. So we should have to position it right on top of the background or just this. All right. The happy birthday is back to its position. The next one, we have copy style. Copy style works when you want to copy the style of a certain text. For example, let's insert this let's party style here. So we're gonna click this one and then copy style. Then click this happy birthday or the happy. The happy changes its style the same as let's party. So its style is being copied just like that. You can also try to click this happy birthday style and then copy style, then click the let's party style here and it insert as the same as the happy birthday style. So that's it for the above toolbar. These features that appears here are applied the same as with inserting the graphics. If you didn't watch that video, then please click the video that I will put above or in the end of this video. That's it, and I hope it gives you an idea on how to insert and edit text in Canva. If you're new to my channel, then click subscribe, hit the bell icon to be updated for the new videos that I will upload. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!